Welcome back, viewers. Today we will be testing the adaptive RSI. But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. And as a team, we will all profit from it when we are done. You can find a link to the first video down below in the description, and you should also see it pop up in the top corner right now. There is also a link down below to sign up for TradingView. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Discord is a free group communication platform where we are having great discussions about all things to do with trading. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the adaptive RSI. Before we do though, I wanted to put the indicator scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested 281 indicators, and out of those 281 indicators, 111 of them have been winners, which means that they have met or exceeded the 60% win-loss ratio threshold that we have set for them. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. But as we are working on building the best trading system possible, you could take any one of those 111 indicators and get out there and start potentially profitably trading the markets with them now. So go back and watch those videos, make a list of those indicators, and get out there and see what you can do with them. But stick with us here as we work on maximizing your trading profits. All right, as I said, today's indicator is the adaptive RSI. And so you can see it here on screen. It consists of this red line here and this green line here. Let me actually draw this in a little bit more so that way it's a tad bit more clear. And so you can see it here, and I did have to go in and I did have to bump up the opacity of the lines and as well as change the weight on the lines. I'm going to go ahead and actually bump them up just a tad bit more on opacity. All right, there we go. And so what are we looking for here? So basically what we are looking for is the interaction of price action with either or of these lines here. And so when the price action breaks above or below one of these lines, it's either in overbought or oversold territory. And so, for example, if we look at the red line here, when price action breaks up above this red line, it has reached into the overbought territory. Very similar to the standard RSI. And when the price action breaks down below the green line, it has reached the oversold sold territory or area. And so what are we looking for? Well, we are looking for basically for price action to break up above the red line and then drop back down below that red line would then be a valid entry point. Same way with the green line. We are waiting for price action to break down below the green line, and then as it crosses back up above the green line, sometimes it's not really a cross up above, it's more of a cross sideways as it kind of pops out there. Very similar, it looks very similar to the Ichimoku. And so if you know the Ichimoku, there are some of the trading aspects of it, some of the signals that kind of function the same way, where it breaks out kind of sideways of the line. Anyways, when it breaks above this green line, then we would take a long position. And so that's how we are going to basically test it today. It's a little bit tricky, so we'll have to keep our eye on it. Once we start getting some signals, I will slow down just a little bit more, so that way we can take a look at how we would actually get a valid entry signal. Looks like we're going to go a ways here and not get a signal. Boy, it's plugged along for quite some time now. All right, so you can see right here that it the price action breaks down below the green line. Just one little candle right there broke down below the green line, or I guess you could say the green line popped up above it. Either way, same difference. So then we were waiting for the candle here to form. Once that candle formed and closed on the other side of the green line, so above that green line, that would then be our signal candle right here. Oops, let's try that again. Right there. And we would take the entry of the next candle, and would have been right there. And we would hit about 183 pips, getting us to take profit rather nicely. So there's one signal there and a winning trade. Let's see if I can't slow it down a tad bit more. Okay, so right here we are down below the green line. Let's go ahead and play it forward just a tad bit more. Right there, you see that on that very next candle right there. We have broke back up above the green line, and close of that green candle, it is still above the green line. And then we would enter on the very next candle. And let's see here. We may have gotten to take profit. Nope, 130. It was close, but not quite there. So that one, unfortunately, would have been a losing trade. Then you see, once again, we break down below the green line right here. And that candle right there would have been the signal candle right there, entering on this very next candle right there. Let's see. Looks like we would have gotten to take profit on that one. Let's see here. So this one's going to take a moment to analyze here. Let's see. So I don't believe, let's see what happens here. So 183.64. And so that one was close, but I don't believe that was a accurate entry. I don't think it ever actually broke down below. I think it got right to it, and then it just kind of glanced off of it. So we will keep on moving along here. Get this wrapped up rather quickly here before the video gets too long. So right here we get a break above the red line on this candle right here would have been the signal candle, and we would have gotten to take profit on that one as well. Here we go again, another signal right there, and another winning trade. So far, not so bad. see if we can pick up one more signal. Nope, that puts us at the end of the year right there. What I'm going to go ahead and do is turn off the indicator there so that way we can see a tad bit better. And I think that kind of speaks for itself there. So we have 5 signals. We have 4 winning trades. Not bad at all. Rather decent win rate on it. The only downfall is that there were very few signals. Definitely would need some more signals within a year's time, but maybe on a lower time frame, it could do well. Not really sure. We'd have to play around with it some more, but nonetheless, it is definitely going to go on the yes list for now, and we will move on to the next indicator from here. If you have not already, like this video, share this video, comment below, and subscribe to the channel. Also turn on the bell notification so that way you are notified anytime I post a new video. So that way you know what indicators we have tested and are testing. Also, there is a link down below to join our Discord server, which is a free group communication platform where we discuss all things trading related. There is also a link down below to TradingView, and if you use that link to TradingView to sign up for an account, you will save a little bit of money. And lastly, there is a link down below to sign up for Patreon. Please sign up for the Patreon and support the channel the best way you can.